Hey Clark, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things I found on your website that you can easily fix so you can start bringing in more business. Now you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are so busy running their own company, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them even more business. So I started making these videos and I give them away for free. Some folks call me back after watching this, some do this stuff themselves. Whatever you would like to do is okay with me. It's free information, but this will help you rank on Google if you follow these tips. All right, so the three things that I'm going to talk to you about today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now I've got the website up for Nomad Electric right here, and it looks really good. It's pretty clean, pretty sleek, really simple. You've got your logo right up here. All your different pages on your website are readily available, and a giant contact us option. That's perfect. You've got that you do electrical services in Bozeman. We could definitely add a little bit more content here. And then you guys have your contact information just right down here at the bottom and another way to get in touch, which is great. If you guys have any sort of Facebook, Instagram, anything like that, it's also really great to add those on here too. So your clients have another way to kind of connect with you, and you can put that on there also. The other thing I did want to note, just as an example, if I go to your Electrician page, you do have this image here uploaded, which is great. Images are wonderful to have, and they help you beat your competitors as well. And I know that you changed the name of this, but if you can change it to just a keyword and remove this other part, Google does read this, and these do help you rank. So you can do Electrician Bozeman, and Google's going to see that, and it's going to help you rank higher for it. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to talk about is what Google really focuses on aside from just having a sleek looking website. Google really cares about content, and they want you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark on your homepage. Now I've gone ahead and I've put your website into wordcounter.net, and as you can see, you've got about 260 words on your homepage. So we're not too close to that 1,500 mark, and we definitely want to boost that up. Now I've also gone and added Firefly Electric and Tyler Electric, and just to show you their word count, this is Firefly and they've got about 260, and this is Tyler and they're at about 209. Oh, sorry, this is Firefly. This is Tyler. So Tyler's at 275, Firefly's at 209. Okay, so no one's at that 1,500 mark, and you definitely want to get yourself up there. Now, in addition, you want to sprinkle in some keywords in there. So I know that you've got Nomad Electric, that's great. Another keyword you can put in, Electrician Bozeman. It's not found anywhere on this site, and this is a buyer intent keyword. People are looking for an electrician if they search for something like this in Google. Now, if it's on your page, Google's going to see it, it's going to help you rank. So you could do something as simple as Nomad Electric LLC, the electrician Bozeman loves. That's a great way to sprinkle in a keyword like that and then add it into that 1,500 word content as well. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So Google's similar to a popularity contest. So backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, saying that you are trustworthy, but Google has to make sure that those backlinks are also trustworthy and relevant. So it's like a giant network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now just keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. You're not going to have the same amount of power from Google if you have like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you aren't a pizza company. Now the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Eris. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools out there. So I've gone ahead and I put your website into Eris, and what we're going to look at right now is this referring domain. So you have 5 other websites linking back to you. In comparison, Firefly has 11 and Tyler has 49. So what I would do if I were you is the same exact thing that these two companies did. Get these same websites linking back to you, and you do that by just clicking in here and checking out all of these links and getting yourself added to the same ones. And that's as simple as creating a profile or emailing the account owner. Sometimes you'll pay a monthly fee, but it's worth it when you start to see the amount of traffic that you get from this. And if these are ranking their websites, they're going to rank yours as well. Now, what I'm talking about when I say organic traffic is this number right here. So currently you have 0 organic traffic, so no one's really looking at your website. Firefly has 39, Tyler has 27. This is people looking at their website every single month. This is important because people aren't just looking up electricians for fun. And so this number equates to real people, which equates to real money for your business. Now, the next thing we're going to take a quick look at is some Google ads. As you can see, there currently aren't any Google ads, and you can run Google ads. And this is helpful because sometimes clients just want to click on the first thing that they see. So if your ad is sitting right there, they're going to click on you too. Now, using the backlinks and content option, you're going to rank organically in Google, just like Tyler Electric currently is, but you want to start showing up in this #1 spot. So when you have more content, more keywords, and more backlinks, you're going to start to show up right down here. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is this area. This is called the local map pack, or the Google My Business. You show up here from having citations. A citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information. These include things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I'd find out all the directories that my competition was listed in, and I'd get my citation listed in those as well. And then I'd go above and beyond that. And if they were in, say, 100, I'd get myself into 200 or 250 or even 300 other directories. So you can really blow them out of the water. So that's all I've got for you today, Clark. I tried to keep this informative and helpful while keeping it short and to the point. So just a quick recap. We really want to increase the amount of content that you have on your homepage, add some more pictures in there, save them as keywords, add some more keywords into your content too. Then we talked about backlinks. You're pretty low on backlinks. Go into your competition and make sure you get yourself added to all of those same backlinks so you can really blow them out of the water. And then the last thing we talked about was some Google ads and getting your citation in more directories than your competition. This is going to allow you to show up #1 here, #1 here, and #1 here. And this is going to show that Google knows that you are a trustworthy site, and it's going to let your clients know that you're trustworthy as well because you're going to be #1 all across Google. Now you're probably wondering, what do I do now? So you've got two options. You can take this information and you can knock it all out yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time to do it, but it's a wonderful thing to do. The sooner you get started, the better. Or if you're like other folks that I speak to and you want this done, but you don't have the time to do it yourself, just feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you more in depth about your goals and come up with a plan for you. So give me a call or shoot me a text, whatever is more convenient for you, at 406-530-7548. I look forward to hearing from you.